Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 63 Ford Galaxie. Be 63 and a half actually, it's slant back. But 390 automatic power brakes, manual steering. Beautiful paint on this car. I can't hardly find a flaw on it. Paint is show quality by all means. Original trim on it, bumpers, maybe repro. That trim's original, which it's not perfect then, but it ain't Chinese either, so you'll see a few scratches in the trim. It's about all I can point out on the body. See, like there, the original door handles, but at least they work. I would say the interior is probably done 80s, 90s, that style. New dash cover, new carpet, original door panels. That's probably the biggest thing on the interior. But really bucket seats, console, just a super nice car. Got the hubcaps. Originally was a California car, is what I was told by the previous owner. Motor was rebuilt according to him. We put a new water pump on. Thing runs and drives great. We checked it over, watched my running video, show everything that works and doesn't work. But if you're looking for a really nice 63 and a half Galaxie, which they're called 63s, but half is when they change body style. So this is it for the budget here. If you want to stay under 30 grand, cool car. 605-695-7391.